How to clean mechanical keyboard, the best step-by-step guide. 2022, Work Rift. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. How to clean mechanical keyboard lightly. Cleaning keyboards with a handheld vacuum is an easy way to keep them clean. Anti-static attachments make cleaning easier. Use a brush to sweep dirt out of between keys. Use a microfiber cloth if you don't have either. How to clean mechanical keyboard thoroughly. Wipe off any excess liquid before drying the keyboard. If you soak the keyboard too long, the keys may become stuck. Once the keys are dry, snap them back into place. How to clean your keycaps. You can clean them by hand, soaking them in soap, using a cloth, etc. Don't use anything acidic or bleaching because it could damage the letters. How often you should clean your mechanical keyboard. A good idea to give your keyboard a weekly wipe down with a cloth. Cleaning your mechanical keyboard is important because it helps prevent bacteria growth and keeps your keys working smoothly.